set pieces. They try something now. The ball is played towards the right hand side, crosses inside. Doesn't work out. But again, a lovely move, and it was quite expected that they would do something like that. Sein Pynbhalang have got to do their homework. And a bit of space now for Rangdajied again down the. Very quick movement there from Kongsdam. But these long balls are not going to work. For the first time now, trying to make a move into the path of the on-running attackers, and for the first time in the game, Banchan Langsten, the keeper, gets a touch. 17 minutes in, and that it was just a back pass, and this is a lovely ball for Rangdajied United. That should be a foul and could even be a red card. That's a goal scoring opportunity, and we'll wait for the referee's decision. He's taking his time, and luckily for Singkong, it's only going to be a yellow by the looks of it. I think that could be a red as well. A big let off for Singdong, because it was a clear goal scoring opportunity. What a pass. As I said, Rangdajied United slowing things down, bringing Sein Pynbhalang closer to them, playing that ball past the first man, and able to create a chance like that, which should have been a tap-in, a one-on-one situation against Imbon, but instead it is only a free kick. And I think the free kick is taken from quite a bit behind as well. But Rangdajied United will keep pushing. They won't mind. Free kick in this sort of position is what they like. Let's see what they can conjure up. Guam can also shoot from this distance. Guam takes a shot. Awkward for the keeper. Needs to punch it out now. He isn't able to. This should be a tap in, and Rangdajied United have finally scored. It was a long time coming, and in the 19th minute, it's the number 17 Kongsdam who gets them the opening goal. And after the penalty miss and a few saves from Imbon, that awkward bounce ahead of him, and then the inability to punch it out, meant that it was an easy header for Bansamba Kongsdam, and Rangdajied United have opened the scoring, and maybe even I was in the pass played towards Boy. The number 10 was making the run, and you have to question some of the movements. There's Arquist though. Beats Latong, puts the ball in, strikes a defender who was there at the right time. I think it was Lingdo. That was a chance for Sein Pynbhalang. They got an easy opportunity to move it forward. Run was made, pass was incorrect. Kongsdam. Osterwell to Arquist. Very nice ball from him. Here's Wangchuk. He's on side, looks to turn and play and keep it on target. Rangdajied coming again. Kongsdam makes it 3. And he gets a second. And Rangdajied United are running rampant now versus Sein Pynbhalang. 16 minutes to go. They are eyeing that 5-0 scoreline that Lata. They keep trying to move it forward here. Kongsdam, who's on a hat-trick, he lets it go for Lamurong, who scores his second. And the floodgates have really opened here. Superb football from Rangdajied United, and Sein Pynbhalang have absolutely no answers for them. And now Lomurong himself gets a second. Both of them are on a hat-trick now. Now Rangdajied United looking for number 5. Lamurong is on a hat-trick. Does he go himself? He does, and gets his hat-trick. 5-0 for Rangdajied United, and this is simply sensational football from them. Sein Pynbhalang are being absolutely smashed here. Not for the first time this season. And it was he's also on a hat trick, trying to set up Arquis this time, or Biang. Every time Sein Pynbhalang put the ball up, it just keeps coming back. It's like a yo-yo. Lamurong cuts inside, goes for the shot himself this time. It was there. I don't know why they're really asking him. He did really well. Not sure how many minutes of added time will be played, but Sein Pynbhalang will want that to come quickly. Rangdajied have absolutely run right over them. Here's Osterwell looking for a goal himself, perhaps. He does go, needs to cross it now. He does, and the header finds its way to the back of the net. And it's number 6 for Rangdajied United, and Nongklaw gets his first goal of the afternoon, and Sein Pynbhalang have been hit for 6. Very nice diving header, good setup from Osterwell, and Nongklaw will be feeling a lot better now after his penalty miss. He gets his name on the score sheet.